But the coconut juice just sit down in here. Greetings everyone. Welcome back to another outdoor cooking adventure. You don't know, it's your girl DJ Dalvi outside. And today I cook up a pot. I gonna cook up pumpkin rice with some callaloo steam down. Yeah. So you don't know, so it's all about some steamed veg with some pumpkin rice. So the fire done catch up already off camera because I made have to run with some mosquito. So what I go do now, I just go fix it up back and make it start blaze, you know what I mean? Get some flame in the fire. Yeah. So I get it blazing up again. So y'all just stay tuned and watch what I go and so I just fix up the fire now, get in some fire stick. Rain kinda like Joe down to but out here same way, you know. So I catch up the fire, you know. Get some flame, get in some fire tick. Don't know. Alright, so fire catch up now. So I put on the steel to the side. Get ready for put on the pot now, you know. Fire blazing. Yeah man. Fire active up here now. Swing soft man. And black up. Get on the pot. Alright, so I get in some water, you know. Hey, pot, don't behave like you want to jump off, you know. Alright. Pot move so. Steady up on the fire one. You put me on again, try it. Wash off, man. Alright, so get on the cover here now. So I make this go and boil up and thing. I go cut up the pumpkin. Alright, so I get the pumpkin cut and wash now. Yeah man. Just cut out them pieces. Pumpkin look yellow and pretty. Just clean up the pumpkin. Pumpkin I cut up here now. Alright. Just like that. I cut up all of this because on the rice yellow. Well easy. So I'm gonna wash up me and clean up the callaloo in the meantime. Rinse off a knife. Alright, so just clean up the color in the meantime, between time. Let's get off them thick part of the color. Thick part of come off. Part thick, so get off them part. The color look cook nice and easy and soft. Yeah, strip it off just like that. Yeah, so just strip on your color low. Strip on your color low like this. Hear the pot a bubble up? The pot a bubble up. Get in a little salt. Never put in no salt yet. I put in a little salt. Don't know we no deal with the measuring, we just guesstimate, you know? Just little salt like that. Yeah. Alright. So get in the pumpkin. Pumpkin in the pot you now. I make this go and cook up you now. And then add some more seasoning to the pot. Yeah. So I'll get ready to cut out the color way now. So may I go do you now? I wash them off. Yeah. I wash them off. Dip in little salt. You just wash off the color and some salt water. Alright. Eat the next rings off you know. Ready to go. Let's cut them up. So you cut up your greens. You can just put it in a calabash bowl. Yeah. Cut them out smaller. Next on the board again. Mm-hmm. Alright, so don't know say Kalalo cut up. Kalalo done cut up already. So I put in a little cabbage in it, you know. Put in one cabbage in there. Rinse off a vegetable peeler a bit. Mm-hmm. So I get in the cabbage. Fire blaze, you know. Coat natural, do that, you know. Yeah, just clean up the carrot. Mm-hmm. Nice and easy. Enough, eh? Last one, you know. Mm-hmm. Get them in like this. Yeah. Have to be careful now because this thing here is very sharp. Alright, so let's check in on the pumpkins. Alright. Pumpkin them a cook up, you know. So I mash them out and thing. Mm-hmm. Yeah, just like that. Mm-hmm. Pretty. Let's cover it up. I get in some more ingredients. So say I get in little scallion in a pot. Yeah, so I get off the main fry scallion, you know. Just like that. Season up the pot. Just clean up all of this. Rinse this off, you know. Crush it up in my pot, you know. Yeah, just like that. Mm-hmm. Get in some garlic in my pot. And garlic help to keep the food. You don't say no. To preserve the food. That means to say if you don't put the food on fridge, it can stay up for all 2 days. Sometimes all 3 too. Mm-hmm. Oh no. Yeah. But just get in garlic. And you don't know you have some superstitious saying say put garlic in a pot that keep it up. If I want green pepper too. Yeah, what? Oh no. Yeah. Alright. So that means to say not up in a corona pot. That then say no. A water jug. stay one place, Stay right this up, Alright, so garlic I go in a pot, No even numbers to my pot. Eat that for now. So push up the fire now and make that go and boil up and thing and don't know me I go back to my vegetable preparation of the vegetables. Yeah, me I go finish up with that and after that now what me I go do? I go grate a little coconut and put in some coconut juice in it too. So stay tuned, watch how I go and kinda clear up the area a little bit. Clear the area a bit. Alright. Finish up with this Mm-hmm. Nice and easy. Hold on there. We try this. And but some new to this, people. So I say, yo, she don't know if you use or something. The menu to it. Alright, so onion, clean up the onion. Purple onion, this. Don't know. Just like that. So cut up the onion now. Just cut up the onion like this. Yeah. This is how me do it. Alright. Get it in this here now. Yeah, man. Purple onion. Little turmeric go in it too. No, turmeric is the main ingredient in curry. So right now this I go kind of yellow man, but so it goes still. But so I did milk with turmeric in my pot. Yeah. Put up little turmeric in it, Up next we have garlic. Add in some garlic. Alright, so put up little garlic, Smoke again in a my eye. Alright, so time for grate coconut, Yeah man, so I get the coconut wash off. This shall leak. Wash off the coconut them. Swings off my grater, Get coconut them grated. More coconut juice, nice up your pot, you know. I want the fire those for go and ease over this, so no flame not upon it. But get go and stay that way there. See now. I'm ready for it, I just fix it up back again. And do remember, peeps, if you are interested in calabash dishes, give me a link up. Yeah, man. I have calabash dishes for sale. So if you need any of these calabash bowls, give me a link up. Alright. This is how you do it outside. Yeah. So time for juicy coconut, you know. Don't know as I said this a container ya leak, so just have to go do it that way, yeah. Alright. So do remember, if you are interested in calabash bowls, link me up. I have calabash bowls for sale. Yeah. Don't forget in the coconut juice. Let's get in some coconut juice in the pot here now. Take it off. Take off the cover like this. Alright, so I get in the coconut juice. As I say, little smoke I get in my eye, but all of that is expected in the kitchen. Get in some coconut juice. Cover up the pot now and fix up the fire. See that? I just the cover drop off of the vegetable. Put it right there, so. Give water one stir. Give water one stir, you know. Yeah. Oh, get in one scotch bonnet pepper. Rinse it off. Drop it in the pot. Yeah. Yeah. Soon start bubble up back again, man. Alright, so time to get the rice wash now. Get out the starch. Come on, the water white. Some more water in there again. One pound of rice is. See if it has well in the pot. Oh, that's your rice, girl. Take your time. Alright. Get the next wash off again. Alright, so I get in rice, you know. Wow, steam. Hold on. The water left in there. Alright, rice are going up at you now. Smoke. So I make this go and cook down and thing, you know. So y'all just stay tuned. When the pot ready, you wanna see what I go on. Alright? Yeah. Go back pot, you know. Active up on fire. Rice are going to steam down. Vegetable over here, so go and wait for go on the fire too. Just wait for the rice cook up, and then I don't know, steam up the veg. I know no well want to see me tasty pot, you know. So tasty pot, you know. Check in, you know. See what I go and feed, you know. Don't want to burn up my hand still in a but. Yes, good. Yes, good. But I make you go and see my little more. You see my little more, you know. But the coconut just sit down in here. Banana. Get off of the fire, yeah, now. Yeah, man. I go get on the color one thing, you know. So I rinse out the pot. Get it on the fire now. Alright. I get in the veg them now. Yeah. So I make this go simmer in and then me add in the rest. They don't know so it go shrink already, you know. Borrow that pot cover a little bit. So I use this and cover it up. Cover rice for a moment. Look at that. Too much fire. I forgot turn down the fire, I know. Turn down the fire. Turn it down a bit, you know. Coconut shell I do that, you know. Yeah, man, you know, so much fire under it. Kinda turn on the fire, you know. Yeah. But watch it. No, sir. She pot no steady, you know. All in soak me. I forgot steady up the pot on the fire. A little ashes get in. Scrape it off. Get it back on the fire. Vegetable I'm going to simmer in. Can throw in the next set. Mm. Alright, so rain come down a bit, you know. I forget the umbrella. I check in, you know. Add little salt in it. Little salt in it like this. Mm-hmm. No, and the pot jump over the fire, so I just hold it. Yeah. This going to steam out, you know. Oh, add little oil in it too. Add little vegetable oil. Put in little oil, you know. Alright, that good. Yeah. Alright. Let's get a little stir up. Mm. Cover it up and make it go and simmer in, you know. Mm. Check in and I pot, you know. You don't know me, they have to put the pot closer to the fire, you know what I mean? Yeah. Drop it down on the fire so it cook faster. Yeah. So this look like it cook, you know, so I take it off. Vegetable no really need to cook all, whole heap of time. Not to stay so long. Yeah. Ease that off over there, so. Alright. Pumpkin rice. Get in some veg, you know. Steam veg. Ready to go. Alright, so check in for my food and now. Food tastes so good. Nice. Just want to say thanks to each and everyone for watching this video until the end. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. Look at this beetroot juice. Natural beetroot juice. I made this juice last night. This is very refreshing. Ital is vital. We just use the turmeric. Nice.